Strap in, retro lovers. We're about to embark on a journey through time with the 7 best retro motorcycles of 2024. These machines are not just about looks, they're a perfect marriage of classic charm and modern-day tech. So, let's throttle up and explore what makes each of these bikes a must-have for any enthusiast. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 is a masterpiece of nostalgia, bringing the golden era of motorcycling into the present day. Its 349cc engine may not break speed records, but it offers a torque-rich, soulful ride that's perfect for laid-back cruising. The bike's teardrop tank and round headlamp are iconic, though some riders might find its tech offerings a bit sparse compared to more modern counterparts. The Triumph Bonneville T120 is a blend of timeless design and contemporary performance. Its 1200cc high-torque engine is a delight, providing smooth acceleration with a soundtrack to match. The T120's weight gives it a planted feel, though it may detract from its agility. It's a bike that offers a premium retro experience with a price tag to match. The Yamaha XSR700 pays homage to the 70s sport bikes with its retro styling and modern underpinnings. Its agile frame and punchy 689cc engine make for an exhilarating ride. However, purists may argue that it lacks the authenticity of a true classic, and its suspension setup could be more refined for a smoother ride. The Kawasaki W800 Street is a tribute to the iconic W1, offering a pure retro experience with the reliability of modern engineering. Its 773cc engine produces a satisfying rumble, though it won't outpace more modern machines. It's a bike for those who value style and substance in equal measure. The Moto Guzzi V7 is a true Italian classic, offering a blend of elegant design and smooth performance. Its 744cc V-twin engine is both reliable and characterful, though it may lack the outright power of some rivals. The V7 is for riders who appreciate a bike with soul and history. The BSA Gold Star is a British icon reborn, featuring a robust 650cc single-cylinder engine that provides a thumping ride. Its shadow black version is striking, though the bike's heft may not appeal to all. It's a motorcycle with a distinct personality, perfect for those who want to stand out from the crowd. The Triumph Speed 400 is the talk of the town with its new liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine and sporty aesthetics. It's a bike that promises to deliver both in terms of performance and style. However, its premium build and brand heritage come at a cost, making it a choice for those willing to invest in quality. And there we have it, a closer look at the 7 best retro motorcycles of 2024. Each bike offers a unique blend of style, performance, and heritage, ensuring there's something for every retro enthusiast. Remember, the best bike is the one that fits your style and brings joy to your rides. Until next time, keep your passion for the past fueling your rides into the future.